Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing another empties video. I mentioned in my last empties that I was going to try to do these videos more often. It has been a little while, but we're here now. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you're new, subscribe down below. I would really appreciate that. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. You can also come join me on Instagram and Twitter if you would like. The links are in the description box down below. And let's just jump into it. Alright, so I've got my Target bag right here that I have all of my empties in currently. It's a little loud and rustly, but we're going to go through them. So I've got some skincare, hair care, and some makeup. So just the usual, the basics. The first thing is a moisturizer. Whoops, stuff is falling off my lap. This is the Caudalie Vinosource SOS Hydration Intense Moisturizing Cream. Long name. This is what the packaging looks like, and then it has this little like thing on it, and it's all used up. This stuff smells really good. It's so weird how like when you use something with a certain scent for a long time and then like you smell it later and it's like memories, even though I didn't even use this up that long ago, but this was nice. It smelled really good. I liked the texture. I felt like it was the perfect texture for what I like in a cream personally, but a little pricey. Caudalie skincare is pretty pricey, and I did like it. I don't know if I would repurchase this. Honestly, there's so many other great moisturizers out there and brands that I like more. So while I did like this, I just don't think I would repurchase it. Okay, next product is super exciting. If you watch my Project Pan videos, you will have seen this already, but I used up my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which is so exciting. I've had this in my Project Pan since I started it, and I'm not even sure when I started my Project Pan, closer to the beginning of this year, but I just have been using only this bronzer for so long. I'm so excited to play around with my other ones, and I'm just really happy to have used it up. And there's like a pigment spot in the pan in the center, but that's all it is. The product is completely used up. And I'm really excited about this, even though I did really love this bronzer, and I honestly will probably repurchase it in the future. Right now, I'm just excited to focus on using some of my other ones. Let's quickly go into a few shower products. So I have a body wash here. This is the St. Ives Soothing Oatmeal and Shea Butter Body Wash. And this is the packaging. This is something that is great for the price. You get 24 fluid ounces, so a ton of product. I felt like it was moisturizing. It was really nice. It didn't really have a scent to it at all. So if you have sensitive skin, this might be great for you, but I don't think I'll repurchase this just because it wasn't anything overly amazing for me. Like, I am going through different body washes right now that I like way more than this, and there's ones at the drugstore that I like way more than this. So even though it was nice and would probably be good if you have really sensitive skin, didn't have much of a scent, it's just not something that I will repurchase it because it didn't really blow me out of the water at all. This camera keeps wanting to go out of focus, so hopefully I'm not like blurry half the video, but I also have a shampoo. This is the Maui Moisture Nourish and Moisture Plus Coconut Oil Shampoo for thick curly hair. I love the Maui Moisture shampoos. I love the Shea Moisture conditioners more, but for shampoo, I really love the Maui Moisture ones. And I actually purchased a different one after I went through this bottle because I started dyeing my hair and I wanted something that had color protection to it. So even though this says it's safe for color treated hair, I just wanted something that had, some extra stuff in there for color protection. So I did end up getting another one, and I don't know if I'll repurchase this exact one, but I did really like it. I thought it was a great shampoo. I would definitely recommend this if you have really thick curly hair or any kind of textured hair even. I think the one I have right now smells a little bit better, but I mean, it still works great. It does its job, and yeah, so there's that. I am just going through this in like a super random order, so let's grab some more skincare. I have, I think, just two more like face skincare products. I do have some makeup wipes in here, but I have a bottle of Curology. Don't know if that's gonna focus. I also have this Acure Brilliantly Brightening Night Cream. Let's talk about Curology first, because this is something that I'm sure is controversial for some people. I got this because it was the free trial size thing or whatever. They give you like 1 month's worth of product and you get it for completely free besides like shipping, I think. Then after that, I think it's like $20 a month or something. This, I feel like, really helped for me whenever I was having like breakouts and stuff, because I was going through a time where my skin was doing pretty rough when I got this and it kind of wasn't ending. So that's why I kind of resorted to trying Curology, but I do feel like it did work. I did not use this every day. I didn't want my skin to get like used to it and only be able to use this. So I didn't use it every day. I used it like a couple of times a week, and I do feel like it did help clear up my skin. I haven't really had issues since. Obviously, I have like hormonal breakouts around my period and stuff, but other than that, my skin has been really great. So I do use this. I still have another bottle now, and I use it whenever I feel like my skin isn't doing the best, but it's not something that I use regularly at all. Just when I feel like my skin is breaking out and I don't have anything, I will resort to this. But yeah, I definitely recommend trying it out if you have had troubles with your skin and you don't know what else to do, because you do get the free first month, but you just have to remember to cancel it if you don't want it after that. And then let's go through the moisturizer. Trying to hurry here because I'm kind of in a hurry to finish this video, but this is called a night cream and it says it's a brightening night cream. Acure is like a natural brand. I really love this brand of skincare, but I will say this wasn't my favorite thing. I liked this maybe more for the morning because it was really light and it kind of sunk into the skin pretty quickly, but I don't really know that I would classify this as a night cream, and that's what it says. I expected it to be more thick and luxurious because it does say night cream, but it was actually a lot more of a day cream, like a light cream. I wouldn't really, like I said, classify this as a night cream at all, but I did think it was nice, and I love that it's natural. But I do have some other moisturizers that are more natural that I prefer, like the Nourish Organic brand. I like that brand more for their moisturizers, at least from what I've tried. This just was a little bit too light for me, but maybe I'll try some other moisturizers from this brand and see if they have something thicker and more moisturizing, because that's more what I like at night. Okay, let's grab my makeup wipes. This little sticker on the front is completely peeling up. This is the Neutrogena makeup wipes, just the very simple fragrance-free ones. I'm sure most of you have tried these. You get 25 makeup wipes in this package. I haven't really been purchasing makeup wipes lately because I've been trying to use like cleansing oils and balms to remove my makeup, just because I know that it's better for my skin. So if I am traveling, I will take makeup wipes. Can't speak. If I'm traveling, I will take makeup wipes with me, but I don't really use them on a daily basis at home. At least I try not to, but sometimes I do resort to these. But if I am using makeup wipes or buying makeup wipes, it's most likely going to be these Neutrogena ones, because they get all of my makeup off completely and they have no scent, and I just think these work really great if you're looking for makeup wipes at the drugstore. Next, we have my Native deodorant. I'm currently going through another one of these. This is the coconut and vanilla scent. I actually have the cap on backwards. So that's what the bottle looks like. This is a natural deodorant, and I switched to natural deodorant in June, I think it was, like the beginning of June this year, and I'm not going back. I really like it. I feel like once my body got used to it, it works great, and Native is the best that I've tried. I've only tried a couple brands, but Native is my favorite. I really like this coconut and vanilla scent, but currently I'm going through, I think it's eucalyptus and mint, and I also like that one as well because it's like a nice fresh scent, kind of like a fresh out of the shower scent. But I do like the coconut and vanilla a lot too, and I feel like it really covers any kind of like weird scents really well. So yeah, I really like this scent. I want this in like a perfume or something. So we have some makeup products down here. I've only talked about like one makeup product. So we've got two concealers. I have the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I liked both of these, but neither of them were my favorite, if I'm being honest. I don't know what all the hype used to be about the Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay, because I didn't think it was that great. It's nice. It was a nice satin finish, but the coverage wasn't the best. I have dark circles under my eyes that are pretty bad, so I need more coverage than that. Same with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I don't feel like it had great coverage, and I also don't really love that sponge applicator tip. The Maybelline one was actually in my project pan, and I went through it, so you will have seen that already if you watch my project pan videos. But yeah, both okay concealers, but not my favorites. So I have the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer, just a little mini size of it. I don't know if that's focusing, but this was also in my project pan. I liked it, but I feel like the NYX Angel Veil Primer is an exact dupe for it pretty much. So if you want something with this kind of like satin smoothing texture, I would definitely say check out the NYX Angel Veil, because it's way more affordable. And I actually have that in my collection right now. Esquito Lash Companion Glue. This is an eyelash glue. The packaging is freaking beautiful for an eyelash glue, but I would definitely have to say this is my favorite eyelash glue. I'm going through another one right now that's like the Kiss Sensitive Lash Glue or something like that, and I like it. It's really nice, but I do feel like this one is a little bit better. It's just a little bit more expensive, and you can't get it at the drugstore, so that's why I am going through a different one, but I do really like this lash glue, and I went through the whole bottle, which is crazy because I like barely wear lashes. Right now I have eyelash extensions, but even when I didn't, I barely wore eyelashes. So it's kind of crazy that I went through a whole tube of this. Okay, last product that I see in here. This is the Leanne Grace Body Butter. This is one of my favorite body butters literally ever. It's so amazing. They come in delicious scents. It's completely natural skincare brand. So the ingredients in here are amazing. I love the way it feels on the skin. This is just a small bottle. It's the 2 ounce, because this is a pretty pricey brand. This was also in my project pan, and I just finished it, so you would have seen that if you watched my last update. I will leave my project pan playlist up in a card. I think it's over here if you guys want to check that out, as well as my Empties videos. I should make an Empties video playlist. I think I'm going to do that right after this video and leave it up in a card for you guys. So yeah, this was actually something that I didn't get to use the whole thing because my niece smeared it all over my room. So that was nice, but it is a really nice scent, and I did really like this. I'm sure I will repurchase this in the future sometime because it is one of my favorite formulas, but I just don't know when because it is pretty pricey. But yeah, Leanne Grace Body Butter, love that. And that is everything for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you want to see from me next. Just trying to come up with video ideas for you guys constantly, and I want to make sure that I'm filming what you guys want to see. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.